Hello and welcome back, health and fitness enthusiasts. Today's topic is 12 benefits of taking lemons daily. Welcome to this informative video where we embark on an exploration of the remarkable benefits that lemons can bring to your daily routine. Nature has bestowed upon us this versatile fruit, which offers a treasure trove of advantages that might pleasantly surprise you. From bolstering your immune system to enhancing your beauty, lemons have proven to be a panacea for various concerns. So, without further ado, let's delve into the wondrous world of lemon benefits. Immunity support. Among the many virtues of lemons, their richness in vitamin C stands out as a pivotal booster for your immune system. The presence of vitamin C in lemons empowers your body to defend itself against harmful microbes, making it a formidable ally in the face of common colds. At the onset of cold symptoms, a ritual of consuming the juice of one whole lemon, combined with warm water, every 12 hours can significantly bolster your immune response. Brighten Skin Tone. Unlocking the secret to radiant skin lies within lemons. By regularly incorporating lemon juice and honey into your skincare regimen, you'll witness the positive transformation of your complexion over time. Acne scars and dark spots will lighten, leaving you with a glowing visage that exudes vitality. Oral health. A radiant smile is synonymous with good oral health. Lemons, with their natural teeth-whitening properties, can help combat the unsightly yellowing of teeth caused by lifestyle choices such as smoking and indulging in junk food. A gentle blend of baking soda and fresh lemon juice can work wonders in restoring the luster of your pearly whites. Moreover, adding lemon water to your daily routine can neutralize bad breath, offering a fresh and pleasant aura for your interactions. Heart health. The peel of lemons holds an array of antioxidants that serve as guardians for your heart's well-being. Among these are flavonoids and polyphenols, powerful plant compounds found in lemon peel, which have been scientifically proven to aid in lowering cholesterol, blood pressure, and inflammatory responses. To harness the heart-healthy benefits, grate the lemon peel and infuse it into your lemon water. Lower blood pressure. Elevating the benefits of lemon juice, studies have revealed its ability to lower blood pressure effectively. By complementing this with regular walking, you can further amplify its impact, ensuring a healthier cardiovascular system. Healing mouth sores. Lemon juice emerges as an efficient ally in the battle against blisters and canker sores in the mouth. Its antiviral and antibacterial properties hasten the healing process, providing much-needed relief. Rinsing your mouth with a mixture of warm water and lemon juice thrice daily can facilitate a considerably quicker recovery. Anxiety reduction. Discovering tranquility amidst the bustle of life can be challenging, but the invigorating aroma of lemons holds the key to alleviating anxiety and tension. A simple experiment of smelling a few lemons during moments of stress can work wonders, leaving you more focused and composed. Scientifically, lemon-scented oil has been found to soothe employees and enhance job effectiveness when used as an air freshener in workplaces. Cholesterol reduction. Lemon water emerges as a compelling contender in the quest for maintaining healthy cholesterol levels. The amalgamation of vitamin C and flavonoids in lemons actively aids in lowering LDL cholesterol, commonly known as bad cholesterol. The natural remedy can contribute significantly to your cardiovascular well-being. Kidney stone prevention. Lemon water takes center stage yet again in the realm of kidney stone prevention. By consuming 5 tablespoons of diluted lemon juice daily, you can effectively thwart the formation of kidney stones. Additionally, the increased urine output stimulated by lemon water helps clear the kidneys of toxins and mineral buildup, ensuring their optimal functioning. Whiten nails. The quest for immaculate nails can be fulfilled with the assistance of lemons. Soaking your nails in a simple paste of lemon juice and olive oil is an affordable and straightforward technique to whiten and invigorate your nails. Lemon juice's natural acidity has been cherished for ages as a time-honored nail care solution. Organic deodorant. Banishing unpleasant odors has never been easier, thanks to the magical properties of lemons. Applying half a lemon to your armpits and allowing the juice to rest for 5 minutes before rinsing it off will infuse your underarms with a refreshing aroma, effectively combating unwanted smells throughout the day. Alleviate illness symptoms. When illness brings forth its unwelcome side effects, lemons emerge as a reliable remedy to ease discomfort. A concoction of warm water or tea infused with lemon juice and honey can provide much-needed relief from symptoms like chills and fever. In conclusion, the incorporation of lemons into your daily lifestyle can indeed yield a wealth of health benefits, touching various aspects of your well-being. From fortifying your immunity to enhancing your beauty, lemons have proven to be a natural elixir gifted by Mother Nature. Embrace these benefits gradually and consistently, and let the zesty essence of lemons bring vitality and rejuvenation into your life. If you got any value from this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and best of luck on your fitness journey.